kitties are in a new home. I can't carry both while filming. I am going to put them in this bathroom because the movers are on their way. That's so loud. Let me go get Maya. I guess I did have the fan on at the other place too. So, it will block out the noise of the movers. I'm just gonna put them in here. In the past, I have let them just explore the whole house. They're really nervous today. They tag teamed it. Max was, he pees in his cage when you first put him in. I had put Feline Way, I put Nature's Miracle. I gave him treats, nothing. He still peed. Maya hid in the bottom of the box spring under the bed. So they have never both been that difficult, so. Sorry I was out of breath. This one comes out the top. I know your other one came out the bottom, but this one comes out the top. This is our new home, babies. You don't fight, okay? I know it's stressful. You got a litter box? Oh, don't hide in there. Baby girl. You're gonna like it here. Yeah. Good, they're not fighting. I know the fan's so loud. Otherwise it's really dark. Maya's crying. Oh no, I'm crying, baby. Mac's like, alright, I got this. This is my place. I'm just gonna rub all over everything. That's your Maya. She still smells the same. He's like, alright, I explored it. Let me out. Alright, I gotta go in case the movers are here. So then I let him explore in here for a bit. You be good. Okay, I left the kittens in this bedroom. Max, you excited to explore? And I don't know where Maya. Oh, there she is. She's under there. So Max loves new places. You gonna explore? Oh, here she comes. How am I gonna film both of you exploring at the same time? It's all of her stuff. Look at him prance. I don't know why. Like, I never see him get that excited. But he gets real, like, he never hardly puts his tail up. But, I mean, I think it could be a nervous thing, too, which is really odd. But, like, got everything moved in. Not sure. I mean, I think this placement's good, but it kind of, like, you know, a little cramped. But I don't want it back in that corner. It's kind of weird. Hey, buddy. We did such a good job. His poor nose is all scratched up because he doesn't leave Maya alone. This is our new house. Yep, there's your bowls. That's where you're gonna eat. So they say leave him in a room, but my cats are just like his fifth move, so hopefully our last before we own someplace. Yeah, this is my bedroom now. Gonna finish it. Set up kind of just like almost like my other one. Uh-oh. That's hilarious. Oh no. I probably should have let him in here. Oh, so he's not gonna go in there. That's where Maya was. Hey, baby girl. You're so pretty. It's brighter in here. Even with the shades down, I think it's going to be better quality videos. That's fantastic. This is the bathroom. I don't want to turn on the fan. It's going to scare her. This is my new bathroom set. It's really pretty. I'll do a tour like once everything's put away. This is the dining area. I don't have a dining table, so I'll get that one day. When I have money. Yeah, that's going to be your litter box for the living room. It's pretty. He's so cute, my baby. Where's Maya? I thought I heard her, but it's his fan. Where are you? Okay, so we're not gonna get on counters. You guys know that. That's a rule. It's a rule. Always been a rule in our house. Aww. He's just like, this is mine, and this is mine. The movers did an excellent job. They were all super nice. One of the lamps got a little broken, so I had paid for the $40 insurance, so we'll probably get a new one. That'll be nice. It's one Catherine gave us, I think. I think Catherine gave it to us, so. Where's Miss Maya? You guys could probably be thirsty. It's like 100 is the worst time to move right now. I was gonna turn the light on. Oh yeah, that was kittens. I washed the thingy. You can have a little pathway. Look out the windows. Yeah, that's a couch. Same couch. My baby girl. That was a stressful day, huh? I think it helps that we don't get like all new furniture. Because they smell that it's our stuff. Wow, it's so bright and pretty in here. Yay. The only downgrade is that we don't have a patio. You're so pretty. His nose is all messed up because he provoked Maya. He doesn't leave her alone. Like when she gets when she hisses at him and stuff. It's so big. Like at first I was like, I'm not sure if it's bigger than my other, but right there looks big. Aww. I didn't put a litter box in my bathroom because it'll be nice not to step on stray litter. Sorry. My babies. Kitties are doing really good. It's been a few hours. I got everything put away. Here's Maya. Hey. Hey, girl. Are you trying to push her away so you get all my attention? I see you. You think you're sneaky. Maya was up on there already. Made me happy. Well, they were getting along. He just gets up on her face and she doesn't like it. Good job walking away. Yeah, I went pretty good overall. He didn't pee on anything. He does that sometimes out of stress or anxiety. He's just sniffing everything. That's what cats do usually when they move, is sniff everything once they come. A lot of cats will hide for a while, but he's doing pretty good. Well, he never hides. Maya, she's a good girl. Oh, just got those few things to put away and then I'm done. She looks like she's standing on nothing. Yeah, so thanks for coming along our little journey of moving. And we'll see you again soon. Say bye-bye, Maya. Say bye-bye.